Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's practice daily use English sentences. तुम्ही दोघेही बाहेर या. Both of you come out. Both of you come out. ते मनावर घेऊ नको किंवा ते मनावर घेऊ नका. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. तू अजूनही इथेच आहेस का? Are you still here? Are you still here? तेवढा वेळ लागणार नाही. It won't take that long. It won't take that long. तिला किती मुले आहेत? How many children does she have? How many children does she have? मला किती वेळ वाट पाहावी लागेल? How long do I have to wait? How long do I have to wait? तुझा घाम पुस. Wipe your sweat. Wipe your sweat. मला खूप घाम येतोय. I am sweating a lot. I am sweating a lot. तू खूप वेळ घेत आहेस. You are taking too long. You are taking too long. किंवा तुला खूप वेळ लागत आहे. You are taking too long. मी आता जास्त वाट पाहू शकत नाही. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. हे यापूर्वी कधीही घडले नव्हते. This has never happened before. This has never happened before. मला हे जाणून घ्यायचे नाही. I don't want to know this. I don't want to know this. काळजी करू नकोस. सगळं ठीक होईल. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. मी ते का करेन? Why would I do that? Why would I do that? जर तू उशीर केलास तर आई तुला ओरडेल का? Will your mother yell at you if you are late? Will your mother yell at you if you are late? ती कोणासारखी दिसते? Who does she look like? Who does she look like? ती तिच्या आईसारखी दिसते. She looks like her mother. She looks like her mother. मी माझी चूक मान्य करतो. I admit my mistake. I admit my mistake. तो ते करू शकणार नाही. He won't be able to do that. He won't be able to do that. तुम्ही इतका वेळ का घेत आहात? Why are you taking so long? Why are you taking so long? तुमच्या आजूबाजूला कोणी आहे का? Is there anyone around you? Is there anyone around you? तुम्हाला हे कुठून मिळाले? Where did you get this? Where did you get this? त्यांना सगळं सांगू नकोस. Don't tell them everything. Don't tell them everything. ती माझ्याकडे पाहून हसली. She smiled at me. She smiled at me. तू मला शिकवशील का? Will you teach me? Will you teach me? त्याच्याकडे पैसे नाहीत. He doesn't have money. He doesn't have money. जर तुम्हाला बोलायचं असेल की माझ्याकडे पैसे नाहीत, तेव्हा बोला I don't have money. I don't have money. तिच्याकडे पैसे नाहीत. She doesn't have money. अशा प्रकारे हे सेंटेन्स बोलण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. मी काल घरी होतो. I was at home yesterday. I was at home yesterday. Thank you for watching and keep practicing.